Marketing this or that. Go viral or go niche?
Go niche.
Why?
Deeper than wider.
Okay. Post daily versus post when it's good.
Post daily. Consistency is key. But I have to tell it to myself as well.
Yeah. Build the email list versus chase the followers.
Build the email list. Again, emails can be an asset. The platforms can, come and go.
Trends versus evergreen content.
Just one, right?
Yes.
Evergreen content.
Why?
Evergreen content because, at least you are classic, you're building value, and not just for this year, but decades to come.
And trends, I have to always chase the next one. So, lagi ka naghahabol.
Correct.
Hassle.
Tama.
Face on camera versus faceless brand.
I now understand the face on camera. Yeah.
Why?
Yeah. Because people need to relate to a person. Because again, even if it's B2B, B2C, it's still human to human connection.
Amen. I love that. Long form YouTube versus short form reels.
Oh, that's tricky.
This is you. You're not
Yeah.
tricky, are you?
Yeah, at the start, I think you start with reels. I know I'm starting with reels, but I'm seeing a lot of value in long form videos. Now, for all of those successful entrepreneurs, long form is the way to go.
Okay. Personal brand versus business brand.
Personal brand.
Why?
Again, as I mentioned, it's human to human. People need to, like Steve Jobs. He started with personal brand selling Apple. Yeah.
Okay.